Well, I feel it's a mortal threat to my life and to anyone else who smokes, to their lives too. I've woken up to the reality of the mortal threat of this.
It's time that I gave it up permanently. My breathing is bad. It's worse than what it is. I have emphysema.
Smoking Cessation Week actually should be Smoking Cessation Year. People should be constantly reminded that this is the worst thing for their health and the most important thing they could do to prevent long-term disability and mortality. We're talking about chronic lung disease, we're talking about premature heart disease, stroke, and everybody knows about lung cancer. But it's a terrible, terrible addiction. Nicotine makes people really connect to their cigarette as well, like a heroin addict, quite even worse, because it's more acceptable, it's more achievable, you can easily buy it, and ultimately, even though the social pressures are going against smoking, people can't stop, they need help.
So at the Jewish General Hospital, we have a group program. It's an 8-session program, and we've been giving that program now for the last 14 years. So that's what we offer here at the Jewish, but there are other services that are offered at the CLSC that are more based on individual encounters, so it will be more one-on-one. At the Jewish, we really focus on group programs.
When you smoke for so long, sometimes you're out of cigarettes and it's, 12 midnight and it's a snowstorm, but you're going to get them. So it's a form of slavery that I think.
I'm spending $100 a week on cigarettes, which is, I find, a waste of money, really. It's thousands of dollars a year that can be better spent. And my health is a major reason.
If a person is thinking of quitting, my suggestion to them is to take a piece of paper and write the gains that they will attain by quitting. So, for example, $5,000 saving every year that they can use for some other projects that they might want to undertake. But also in terms of long-term gains, so it'll be better health in the future, looking better, smelling better.
Oh, I would gain my liberty. I wouldn't have to, like mentioned previously, have to run in the middle of the night to go get cigarettes, and just have a cleaner house that doesn't stink and my clothes smell. And
well, I would have more breath, I feel. Okay, so I see people that are running on a treadmill. I mean, I can walk on a treadmill, but I see people that are trotting on a treadmill, and I go, geez, that would be good.
Oh, okay.
And that would help in every way. It helps. My exercise routines could become much more complex and better.
Yeah, it's just I'm fed up.